changing the dryer on this tank. I think it might be a bit restricted, but I want to put a new one on there so I can take that out of the equation. It's a fixed orifice model there, but it looks like a coupler, but it's actually got a pinhole through there. Looks like it actually screws in. It's got a couple of, we get a screwdriver in there. So we're just putting a new copper washer in there and a new copper washer in there ready, and we change that dryer. That's instead of an expansion valve. Same on that side. You can see where it's just starting to cool there. Just a bit of ice. That's the O-ring out of that fitting. Lives in that little groove in there. I haven't got anything that size. So what we're going to try and do is solder a piece of pipe in there. I'm going to swage it out so it's a tighter fit. See if we can silver solder it in there. Yeah, it sticks in there quite a way. I think that's got that. As long as it hasn't melted a bit down here, we'll be alright. We've just got to cut the suction line off and slide it on. That's a bit of 3/4 and that's 7/8.